Hey everyone, my name is Sharon Bond. I'm with Dame Mass Dance, and in today's Bachata tutorial video, we will be looking at different ways that you can use the triple step. So as I mentioned before, today's Bachata tutorial video is on the triple step. The triple step is 3 quick counts in succession. So the main counts of bachata are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the triple step will have one of the counts on the in-between beats. So you could start on count 1, it would be 1 and 2, or 2 and 3, 3 and 4, etc. So you could start the triple step on pretty much any count in bachata. So we will start with the side-to-side basic, and since I'm facing the camera, I'm going to go this way for my left, doing the lead timing. So a regular side-to-side basic is 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. And so one triple step that you can do is a triple step starting on count 4, and it's basically in place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Or instead of staying in place, you can step your first step of the triple step back. So crossing back 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. So let's do it from this direction. So starting to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. And from this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Another triple step that you can do in the side-to-side basic is starting on the first count, count 1. So in this one, I'm going to style it a little bit differently. So starting on count 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So in this, you can see that I'm moving up and down a little bit, and I'm also putting my heel out on count 2 or on count 6. So that just changes the style a little bit. So let me turn this way. So starting on count 1, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Now you can also do these triple steps in the in-place basic. So in-place basic, we don't move side to side, so we stay in one spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the triple step on count 4 and count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Or you can cross back 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. You can also do the triple step on count 1 in place. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So let me turn around. So 3 different triple steps on the in-place basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. From this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So the last triple step that I will show you is in the side basic. So side to side, you are traveling from side to side. In the side basic, you're basically staying in one spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just step out to the side, but there's no traveling. So one variation of the side basic is the crossover. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tap, 7, 8. And so we're going to add the triple step to that variation of this side variation of the side step. So step out 1, back 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in this variation I started it on 3 and 4, on 3 or 7. So 3 and 4, 7 and 8. So let's go in this direction. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And in this direction, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I've shown you all these different triple step variations. I've shown it from the lead perspective. From the follow perspective, they are the same exact steps. It's just that we will be starting to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you would do the same steps, but starting with your right leg instead of your left. So that's all the triple step variations that I'll discuss in this video today. And so let's put those moves to music. So I hope you enjoyed that video on the triple step. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit our website at demimasdance.ca and check us out on Facebook at Demimas Dance Studio and on Instagram at Demimas Dance. Thanks for watching.